Seems like all the lights want to go out all of a sudden. Now the interior light in my microwave quit working. Oh, I gotta change the bulb in that. Well, let's see where the bulb is. I don't see it. That's the magnetron, that's not the bulb. Huh. There it is. Oh, great. I got to take the whole cover off just to get to the bulb. They do that so you have to hire a technician to come or do it for you if you don't know how, or you have to take this into service store. Ridiculous. Alright, let's get this cover off. Phillips screws on the sides and Torx on the back. Figure out how to get this off of here. Not sure which way it goes. It's got to go that way because the lip. Well, let's see what's going on. It looks like this lifts up this way. The back comes up. There's a little lip in here, and it can only go one direction. So I'm assuming this is going to come off with a little help. Yep, there it goes. Cover off. This is what I need. Replace contents and envelope. Must be the manual. The parts of this. It makes sense. If you have to take it all apart, it has a manual stuff inside. There's the bulb. Then plug it. It's got little tabs on the side holding the bulb on. There's the bulb. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a continuity test on this bulb filament, just to make sure it's open, not some other electrical problem. First I'll test my meter. The leads are good, I'm getting continuity. Getting nothing through the filament, so it's definitely broken. I gotta go to Lowe's or somewhere, get a new bulb. It's probably gonna be expensive. Okay, I got my $15 bulb in, so now I can put it on my microwave and put the cover back on. $15! Oh, did I mention that? Now I'm going to go ahead and put the new bulb back in. I don't think there's any polarity. Got those tabs snapped in place. Now I can test this bulb because this microwave will still work with the cover off, which is very unsafe, but it works. So I just plug it back in. Make sure I'm clear of any electrical parts and see if the bulb works. Yeah, it works. So now I can unplug it and then put the cover back on, and I'll be done with it. Let's see if I can get this cover back on. Turn this thing upside down, maybe it'll fall in place. Or fall on me. Huh? I think so. It's like wrestling a wet pig in the mud. Put the screws back in. I think there's one on the other side. All the screws are back in. Let's get it set back up, plug it in.